Welcome back to another video of me recreating every granny square from this granny square source book. Today's video is all about the 112 stitch classic square. I'm a little disappointed because this one is very similar to what we did yesterday, square number 9, the diamond square, and similar to the 80 stitch granny square. The only difference is that it's bigger. And I didn't really love the 80 stitch granny square. I picked out my colors. We're going for a gradient blue, so let's get started. I was gonna start light and go dark, but now I'm wondering if I should go dark to light. You know what? I'm just gonna keep going. I'm a little disappointed. I thought I would have a more exciting square for my 10th square. It's not a big deal, it's just a little disappointing. At least it'll work up pretty quickly. The next row is treble again. Every time I say treble, I think of trouble. I don't know why, it's like treble crochet. I know I'm always doing like fast forward stop motion kind of thing in my videos, but I figured you could be looking right now at how fast I go. Admire the speed, like that. Another time. There you go. With sound effects and everything. I've been crocheting for over a year now. I'm not really the kind of person who likes to learn the rules of something. I like to figure it out by myself. But in crochet, something I really wanted to learn was to read patterns so I could figure out how to do specific things and designs and maybe one day make my own, who knows? So this is partly why I'm doing this challenge. It's been really fun to learn. It's been hard. It's been the learning curve, quite literally. But I'm really enjoying recognizing things, especially in the drawing pattern version. The text sometimes leads me astray because I get confused. Like I reread the same sentence more than once, whereas the drawing, I find it easy to recognize the patterns that repeat every row. That is the third row done. Very easy, as I knew it would be. Fourth color. Another color done. On to the next. Here we are. Alright, so one last color. Although technically this is not a color, it's a tone. Look at me in my art class coming through. My bachelor's degree. Yes, I'm an art student. Graduate. I've noticed that some people online really hate crocheting with black yarn. I don't really mind that much, which brings me to wonder, how do people crochet? And by that I mean I'm very tactile, like I keep my fingers really close and I feel for the yarn and I feel for the next hole that my yarn is going to go in. And then I feel for my hook going through that hole. Are some people just looking at their project and not doing anything else? Just like purely visually not going by touch? Because I don't think that the color has a big impact on how hard the yarn is to work with. Like I'm basically working as fast as I was earlier. Aren't I? I sound like I'm putting down everyone else who's like, oh, black is so hard. No, that's not what I mean. I'm just saying, like, is it weird that I do this tactilely? Should I be doing it visually only? I mean, I won't because this is easier for me, but I'm just curious. Done. This is what it looks like. It goes great with what I'm wearing today, all in blue. It's just a little underwhelming. I was expecting for 100 granny squares to have 100 different granny squares, and this was more of the same. I like the gradient that I made. It's very pretty. I guess it worked up really fast. Again, very easy project. How's granny square number 11? Ooh, 11 will be nice. Nice and full. Okay. Well, on that note, thank you so much for watching Granny Square number 10, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!